everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk, and this week I'm going to be showing you how I recreated Alexandra Gater's accent wall and how I fixed it because I failed miserably.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories.
I first saw this accent wall on Lone Fox's channel, but he did give Alexandra Gater credit. She did just upload a video saying that this was one of the most recreated projects that she had. I obviously wanted to recreate it because one, I thought it was super cool. It's really inexpensive. You just need a magic eraser and paint. It did take not a lot of time, but it took a couple of hours the first time I did it because you have to be very precise with when you put the magic eraser on the wall. I did not use a laser. I think if I would have used a laser, I would have done such a better job. What I did was I measured the point in between the top, you know, the ceiling and the bottom of the wall, and then I put one in there, and then I put one on the top and one at the bottom, and I could do it middle, and then I tried to do it like that. So if I would have used a laser, all my lines would have been, you know, one next to another, and I wouldn't have had gaps and dips how I did. When I hung pictures on the wall, it always looked like they were uneven even though they were level, because obviously the lines on my wall were uneven, so I had to do something to fix it up. So I knew I couldn't use the paint that I had left over to paint the whole wall, and that is the reason why I did what I did to fix it up. Also, I mean, obviously I could have bought more paint, but I didn't want to invest in any more paint unnecessarily. I was like, I'll just use what I have and see how it looks like. If not, I would have had to buy more paint in a darker color pink and just paint all over the wall. But as you can see, I was using the same squidgy as I did the first time, and I was just dipping it in paint, and then some of the lines are going right, some are going left. There was like really no rules. I just wanted to cover most of the old ones out but still have the light pink visible from underneath, and I just went crazy at it. This was so much faster. It probably took like 30 minutes in total because you don't have to be precise at all. Just put some drop cloths on the floor to make sure that it doesn't drip everywhere, and this is a much easier process. I do love the way the wall looks, and my puppy came and rubbed himself on the wall, and then he was quite pink, but we took a little bath and I brushed him and he's fine, and he is not pink no more. But this is the process. It's just a very repetitive process. It didn't take that long. I really wish I would have done it the first time because my wall looks better, and I did live with all those crooked lines for longer, and it just feels so much cozier now with almost all of it being painted like that. So now when you hang the paintings, they look level, so it's not the same issues as before. It's less precise, takes less time. You don't need to buy a laser if you don't have one. So I really like this version of the wall, and as I said before, it feels much cozier. I keep looking at the wall because it's right there. I can't wait to share all my other projects with you that I have for this living room. Once I'm done here and the guest bathroom, this side of the duplex will be done, and then I get to start working on the other side. Starting from scratch, as you can see in the last video I posted on it, I haven't done much in there. I will put it here and in the description below. And I got a surprise for you guys because it is a very small area that doesn't really fit anywhere, and it wasn't big enough to make a video on it, since I already have the video on the epoxy table that I'm gonna put right here. What I did was I changed the legs on the table, so now it matches the chairs that I also bought on Amazon, and then I bought some flowers at Food Lion because I was feeling like having flowers in my house. The mirror I had from my friend, and I just painted it black because it was like a wood color before. And the chandelier I got on an awesome sale. It was originally about $155 and I paid $31 for it at Lowe's, so I don't have a link for it. I think they were like not eliminating, they were just like putting the old models out or whatever. So this is how it looks now. You can see that in the mirror you see the reflection from the wall, so I didn't want to post it before because that would give away the wall, but I love how it looks like. It's really cozy. The lighting on the chandelier is like more yellow, so it's like really romantic to have dinners at my house now, and I love it. So make sure to follow on Instagram at Karina Bonaduk. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see, and I will see you next time. I first saw this, what was that? So I knew I would not have gaps, and I knew I couldn't use the paint that I had left, and then take care. Mwah. That was weird, wasn't it? Mwah.